Hi everybody, welcome to the Tokyo Maymester Program 2021. It's called Exercise and Sports for Health, Fitness and Performance. This program is in a very exciting city of Tokyo, Japan. If you look at the list of countries that people want to visit after COVID-19, Tokyo comes up on the top. And as you know, Tokyo is going to be the host for the Olympic Games in the summer. So it is a very opportune time to visit this exciting city and the country. For this class was built on 3 different but related frameworks. One is sports and Olympic Games, because Olympic Games is coming to Tokyo. So it's a good time to talk about sports and talk about Olympic Games. So how do those athletes train and prepare for this important event? History of Olympic Games is really deep. And you don't realize it probably, but the Olympic Games have enormous societal and historical and political impact. For example, like a Black Power salute and the gender controversies and all kinds of issues that we can talk about. For this part, we do have an excursions plan. We don't know which excursions we could take because of the security issues. But we are planning to go to Olympic training centers, athletes village, Olympic museum, or some of the sporting venues. So that's what we are planning to do. We also have an excursion plan to go see Japanese baseball games because they are very, very different from the US versions. Second is physical activity and health. If you look at the Japanese people, they are longest living humans. They're one of the healthiest populations in the world. What do they eat? What kind of physical activities they engage in? How their mental outlook is going to be. So these are the kind of things we are going to learn. For this part, excursion is planned to go to National Institute of Health and Nutrition. It is a government entity that deals with lifestyles. So when the Japanese government publish physical activity guidelines, for example, it is coming from that institute. So you're going to have opportunity to get the lectures from top scientists in Japan. Okay, so the third one is cultural immersion in Japan. To me, that's what the study abroad is all about. You are going to do a home stay with a Japanese family. You may be thinking, ooh, I don't know, it's going to be too challenging. But if you really think about going to a different study abroad program, you're going to be staying in a dorm with your classmate. You're going to be staying at the hotel. Well, every country you go to, dorms and hotels are there pretty much the same. Well, if you have an opportunity to stay with a Japanese family for 4 weeks, and what you do is you're going to eat breakfast and dinner at their home, and you're going to sleep there. And you're going to take public transportations from their house to the classroom every day. So basically, you are becoming one of the Japanese people during those 4-week period. So if I really want to send my kids to the study abroad program, that's the kind of experience I want them to have. Okay? And for the parents, I should tell you that Japan is one of the safest countries. So even if you are walking around after midnight alone, you feel very safe. And for this, the excursions I planned, we are taking you to a Mount Takao. That's the highest mountains in Tokyo. So we're going to go hiking because I'm a big believer of I need to practice what I preach. So that's what I'm going to do. And as you know, Tokyo is very exciting city. It's outside of the classroom. You have a lot of things you can do. So all the classes I told you, it's going to be done at noon. So you do have an entire afternoon every day to explore the city. You also have 2 or 3 weekends. Get together with your classmates and take mini weekend trips to different parts in Japan. That would be a fun thing for you to do. All right? Okay, Fuken.